Hey guys, welcome to my channel Science at Home. Have you ever heard about sound that adults can't hear? Guys, can you hear this? For sure, everyone would have heard this, but let's move ahead. Can you hear this? Yes, you read that right. This sound can be heard only by people of age less than 35. Let's see why. We perceive sound when a sound wave reaches our inner ear shaped like a snail called as cochlea. Cochlea have thousands of hair cells which convert sound vibration to electrical signals and are sent to brain. The normal hearing frequency range of humans is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. As we age, this range gets shorter and shorter. Most people over the age of 35 can't hear sound with 17,000 Hz in this video. Now test your hearing that up to which frequency is it audible to you and comment it below. Almost everyone would have heard till now. Let's move further. Some might have heard this and some may not. No adult would have heard this, but only children would have. You can try this again if you want to. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. Share this amazing video with your friends. Thank you.